Okay, so in this module, we're just going to arrange out the end of the first breakdown. Firstly, I'm going to program a build-up using this part of the kick here. I'll just play it back. Okay, so that's kind of a typical drum and bass build-up. So we're just going to cut that there from bar 61. And then if I double-click escape, and just copy this part over to where the end of the breakdown is, which is bar 97 here. And I'm also going to be putting a volume automation on this. So the way that we do this is we need to create a track which corresponds to this channel strip here. So we do this by just simply going to new, and it doesn't matter what type of a track it is. It could be audio, software, instrument, or external MIDI. So just go ahead and create the track. And then if we click Control, and on the writing here, we'll see this option to reassign the track object. So if we go to Mixer, Auxiliary, then go to Kicks, then this now controls this channel strip here. So if we just draw in some volume automation. Okay, so we want it to start quiet and then to become louder. So just try it like this and then see how this sounds. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. The next thing we're going to be doing is putting a low pass filter on the ride symbol here. Again, we need to create a track here that corresponds to the channel strip that the ride is on here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead, do the same as before, create a track, and then click Control, and then on the writing, reassign the track object. We're going to go to Mixer, Auxiliary, and Ride. Okay, next we're going to go onto this, make sure this channel here is selected, and then select EQ, single band, low pass filter. Then going to turn the order up and the smoothing down on this, and we're also going to select low pass frequency from the automation here. So we're just going to put an automation node up here and have the ride symbol falling in to the low pass filter as the breakdown progresses, and then just going to have it coming back out at the end. So if we listen here, we can hear how it sounds. Okay, and so on. So the next thing that we're going to put in is the filter sweep, the filter rise, which we're going to have again coming out for the end of the breakdown. Okay, so that's the breakdown pretty much done. We're now ready to bring in some of the drums from before. So if we just down here, and we're going to select all of these drums here. And if we just click Alt and copy them across. And we're also missing a ride, so we're just going to copy the ride over as well. Okay, and what we also need to do is copy this kick down to here, and then go in and select all of the notes and move them up so that they're playing the second kick, so that the second kick is coming in. And the same for the snare. We're just going to copy that down, double click inside it, and bring it up so that the second snare is playing. And we also want to go back in here and just delete the last 4 beats of the build up, and we're going to replace that with a snare drum. So if we just click on our scissors tool here, cut out a snare drum, then double click escape, then copy this back over, just delete the first one, and then copy this down onto the snare 2, and again move it up one so that it's playing the second snare. Okay, and then we can hear how this sounds. Okay, that's fine. So in the next module, we'll be looking at drawing out the melody in the bass line.